Hi guys, this is Joy again. Once again, welcome back again to Joy Kitchen BCN. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can bake easy step-by-step cake. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you. God bless you all. And if you are new on this channel or today is your first time of coming across this humble family, go ahead and subscribe, turn the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video again, and I will be uploading soon. So start by greasing your pan. The help of this, it will make your cake to pull off when it's ready easily. My oven is very hot. I will put a bone of water under the oven, and all ovens are not the same. That is why you need to observe your oven. I'll do this before starting. So I'm going to be using harina de trigo in Spanish, and in English it's called wheat flour or wheat flour. Is the best for baking. And it's very important is that you sieve your flour before using. I'll add the salt, 2 level teaspoons of baking powder, nutmeg, orange zest. I will stir. Please feel free to check my description box for the measurements. This is a margarine with salt, and use a room temperature for a quick and a better result. Can you see how soft it looks like? So I will do this for about 2 minutes. Next, I will add my sugars to it. So when doing this, guys, make sure you take your time. Don't be in rush. Mix until it is now well combined and so fluffy before you know that it's okay. Can you see the color has changed and it has already doubled in size? Okay, in case you also have this, you can as well use this. But if you don't have this, that will not stop you of baking your cake. You use a wooden spoon just like what you have demonstrated here. So if you have this, you can use this. If you don't have this, use your wooden spoon. So I will continue with the wooden spoon for the case of those that might not be having that. So for this, I'm going to be using 12 eggs, and it's advisable you crack your egg one after the other in case there is a bad one. And if you don't have a cake hand mixer, crack your egg at once, the 12 egg at once. But just wait, I will tell you when you will need to add it. And don't add your mix to it. If you are not having hand cake mixer, don't add your mix to it. And you crack your egg at once. So you can use this hand whisk to whisk your egg until it brings out the foams. So I'm going to use this one to combine it fast. But if you don't have this, that is why I said don't add your mix to it, and you can crack your egg at once, but just hold on. So after for about 3 minutes, it's perfectly okay without wasting time. So this is the other 6 eggs now. So in case if you don't have that hand cake mixer, crack your egg at once. Once they bring out the foam, you can add it to the bowl. You just stir and you can start adding your flour. You see, hold on for the milk. So why I'm explaining it in 2 ways, because in my previous video, someone asked me, what of somebody that is not having tools? How can the person bake? So that is why I'm explaining it in 2 ways. So somebody that have it, there's no need of you stressing yourself or taking more time. So you can as well go ahead and use it. So but for somebody that don't have it, so you cannot say because you don't have it and you cannot bake when you know you can do it and the time is there to do it. So that is why you see that I'm explaining it in 2 ways. So I'm adding a vanilla flavors to it, just a 3 drops or 3 cover. So once you are done, so you that is not using a hand cake mixer, this is when you can add your milk to it. So you mix it, it will give you the same results. And I hope the explanation is clear. And if there is any question and there is any area that is not clear for you, feel free to ask your question and let me to share the video in all your platform. So our cake is almost ready, guys. So I will transfer to the pan that I have already greased from the beginning. So from the one we are working with, I have these 2 pans on it. Can you see? So why these long pans? This one was off camera, so I don't want it to be too much so that you can easily get the measurement when you are doing it. So I will take it straight to my oven. So I'm going to be baking for an hour plus, and I'm using 250-degree very height. And all oven are not the same. All oven are not the same. You have to observe your oven. So I might be using 250-degree very height, but in your case, depends on the oven you are using. You might not up to 250-degree very height. You can use 200, 220. So can you see, this is how to test your cake. And you can also use a tiny knife also. So once you see that the cake stains when you try it like that, you know that it's not ready. You take it back to the oven. Wow, can you see how lovely it is? So guys, if you watched to this point, thanks so much. God bless you. Help me to share the video, like the video, drop a message. And see you soon again in another satisfies video. We are almost done. Just watch to the end and see how the cake will look like. Bye bye.